In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on those three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and click on Themes. Now you can tap on Yours or Gallery and tap on the best theme for you. When you finished, just go back. If you want to try something more interesting, tap on the same three dots, select Settings, click on Themes, and this time tap on Custom at the top right corner. Then select Start, click on Add Image and pick any of your photos. Just click on the chosen one. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and adjust background darkness thanks to this slider at the bottom. Then hit Done at the top right corner. Now you can click on this icon at the bottom right corner to check out your keyboard and adjust key borders thanks to this switcher. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. If you can't click on it just like I can't for some reason, click on this arrow at the top left corner and select Save in the pop-up. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!